Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video in the Unreal Engine inventory component series. We are doing chests. Before we get straight into the video again, I just want to say thanks to the patrons as always. You guys are amazing. I love you. And also I obviously love all of my subscribers, and thank you for liking and everything. As always, comments, questions and everything, and let's just keep going. Still back-to-back recording, so getting quite tired in my head, but we'll get there. Probably a shorter video. So in the last few videos we set up this chest. We can open it, but when we open it we can no longer do anything else. So we want to be able to close it. And so that's gonna be another function. It's gonna be, we're gonna copy this show chest, gonna duplicate it, called hide chest inventory. And here in this hide chest inventory we're basically gonna do the opposite. Set input mode to game only. So we're gonna hide the mouse cursor. We're gonna set is interacting to false. We're not gonna do this. Instead we're gonna grab the current chest inventory and we're gonna remove from parent. There we go. And now I'm gonna go to our try indirect function. We're gonna use this is interacting as a toggle. So if it's false, we're gonna do this. But if it's true, we're gonna instead do the other opposite. So in this one, we have the BPI inventory. We're gonna add an input here of a boolean called open. Let's call it close, as to not get confused. So what this does, it reverses it. We should probably rename this actually to call toggle chest. Call chest indirect. And so we do close and it's gonna be false by default. Let's push this through. So now we have this here. So if we already are interacting, we're actually gonna close this chest instead. And that means we're gonna hide chest inventory. So now we can use the same function. And with this input here, what this input did is that in the chest, am I recording? Yes, I am. We now have this input here. So if it's false, so we're gonna draw a branch. So if close is false, we're gonna open. But let's make another custom event. called close chest. And this is gonna go to reverse from end instead of play from start, and it's also gonna be run on server. Don't need this. And there's gonna be close chest. Now let's see if that worked. See, can move, and E is open chest. Now we can close it. And when it's open, we should also change this text to close chest. Since we know that this is a chest, we can get our interaction reference. And in our WB interaction, we don't necessarily need to do something with this. We're just gonna do another function called override text. We're gonna grab this one. Pull it through. And here we're gonna do override text. And we know that this only gets fired from the chest, show chest inventory. So we're gonna do close text. And on the hide inventory, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna do open text because we need to set it back to open text. And now we might actually be setting this text twice, but that's not the end of the world. Oh, text, chest. Whoa. Open chest, close chest. There we go. So open chest. So the reason we still need to override it when we go back, because here it updates. The first function that we did to change the text updates when we get into collision like this, and the other one overrides when we interact with it. So that is fine. I can interact. I can't move while I'm interacting, but I can use my mouse, and I can close it and leave. So that looks all right. And the master chest. Let's see, what do we have in our interactable? Do we have like... How are we storing the items in this? It's just this. This is just the item, okay. So... There's a stack here, right? Max stack, yeah. So when we open the chest, this should create widgets for the items in the chest, right? Yeah, it should. So how do we do that? We do it in exactly the same way as we did with the inventory, but we're gonna do chest inventory. I should have planned for this from the start. It's gonna work anyway, it's gonna be fine. But ideally these should hold. Because now we're creating specific things for specific actors instead of having everything in this one. But it's fine, it's fine. So this is gonna be mad. It is a bit unintuitive because now our item that we're having is actually our master interactable and we're storing class references to them. So it might be a bit confusing, but it's gonna work, but it's might be a bit confusing. So the chest inventory will hold Did I do that with stacks? So I pick up, it has current stack, and that's how many we pick up, right? Yep. The master is gonna have to hold an array of BP interactable. So it is a bit confusing if we're calling that interactable. Let's go back to calling it master. Master master inventory item. Let's call it that for now. So that is always in the inventory. That's never going to be in the world. And master world item, just so we can separate them. And this is the one that's going to be in the world, which is this. And now this is going to hold an array of BP master inventory items. It's going to be chest inventory is what I already called it, so that wasn't necessary. So that means we can, if I set this to be a two-hander, I don't even know what stuff I had. Give me the healing potion. Yep, health item. So now I have the health item there, so that's good. You see, the difference here is that this is always just holding the same type of item as represented in the world, but this needs to hold a lot more of them. So we're just gonna do like this for now, and then we keep improving it. So we got this chest inventory. We're gonna do update chest inventory. We're gonna do owning chest. It's gonna be a master chest. Object reference, it's gonna be instance is editable and exposed on spawn. Oh no, not a graph, a function. We're gonna get the chest inventory. This needs to be an array. For each loop. And we're going to go into our inventory, not the DPI, this one. Not update inventory slot. Okay, that's the wrong function. Update inventory widget. Here, this is what we need. So we're gonna get this. kind of want this still. Let's skip this for now. Skip the branches for now. Why do I have a reference to the owning inventory? Because it's, yeah. Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna have to work around that. Like that. And the shard should be added to the inventory grid, which it is. Slot type, we're probably gonna add, we actually, chest as in chest item, yeah. We need a new slot type. No, that's fine. We need another of this is equipment slot that should be like is chest slot. We're updating the slot here anyway. Let's just see how far we got with that. No. Nothing happens. That is because we're not actually setting it anywhere. Obviously this needs to be So in the show chest inventory, we also need to get the current chest inventory. Update chest inventory. So now we're calling this function. We can just drag it through here, I think. Current chests. So now we have the current chest. We're gonna get the current chest here. Oh no, not the inventory. No, that's not a good way to do it. Let's get the owning chest. master character. So the issue we're facing is we need a reference to the chest, but in our inventory component, when we do this try equip thing, we only have the actor, which is a master inventory item. So call this to open the chest, but we never actually get a chest reference. So we can't get a chest reference here unless we do a cast. So let's just do that. Can do like this. So this is instances that it will expose a spawn. So this should be that's the only place I'm using it. So this should not be an only chest. We should do like this, and this should instead be a master inventory item object reference. That is fine. So now if we go here, no. In the show chest inventory, we can get the current, what's it called? This one. Actors interact with, we can get there. That means we throw it in here, we cast to the chest, we get the inventory. Set the current item in loop, we create this. We update inventory slot, and we need to get the current item in loop. That might throw an error because there's nothing there, so let's just do like this for now. That's gonna be what's that? Why? Yeah, okay, yeah, that's fine then. Let's see where that gets us. Ooh, already 30 minutes. Time flies. That gets us nowhere. So let's see why that is. do we get here? Yeah, we do get there. So this is called does this get called? That does not get called. Okay. Oh no, because it's nothing to print. But I actually don't think it was printing anyway. And is that because this is not replicated? No. Is it because this is failing? No, because it's not failing. Is it because there's nothing here? Didn't I do? Yeah, it's because this I never set this. That's a bummer. There we go. So now we actually have a health potion in the chest. Okay, close. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's remove the print strings. We don't need them anymore. There we go, getting somewhere. Probably like 3, 4, 5 videos more of this. We need the stacks and stuff. And ideally I would actually want to also have the inventory here so we can drag stuff into our chest as well. So yeah, we'll see where it goes. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.